Let's be honest. How many times have you looked at an old SQL query and thought, well, who wrote this? What does CNV val even mean? Spoiler, it was you, 3 months ago. If you cannot remember what your own fields mean, imagine how your teammates or your boss feel. That's why documenting your data is not optional. It's a survival skill this year. Today, I will show you how to do it like a pro, right inside OWOX Data Marts. Let's create a new data mart called Daily KPI Pack. I'll select BigQuery as a storage because that's where my data is, but you can select yours. I've already prepared the SQL for it. It collects the metrics from different sources and blends them into one dataset that I can share with my boss. I'll paste it in here and wait till it's validated. Looks good. Now I'll save it and publish. But look, here is the output schema and it looks ugly. You can see the raw fields look like a mess. Things like I am, CNV, CNT, that's because we pulled them from different places, different tables, and it's not aligned. And I don't want my stakeholders starting at this junk. Sure, we can go and rewrite the SQL and add aliases right inside SQL. But that's not always possible and sometimes just too annoying. So here is what I will do. I'll go and add the aliases and the descriptions to my output schema here in OWOX Data Marts. I am is actually the ad spend. I don't know why. And I'll also add a description, the amount spent on advertising. What the CNV CNT even means? Well, I don't remember it myself. Those are my conversions. So basically that's the number of sales. And CNV val goes for sales in USD, the total dollar value of conversions. This is the blended customer acquisition cost, spend divided by conversions. This is the blended ROAS, revenue divided by ad spend. Here are my unique visitors to the website for a specific date, total daily unique visitors. CVR goes for conversion rate. Visitor to sales, conversion rate. AOV goes for the average order value, revenue divided by conversions. Net rev goes for net revenue, revenue minus ad spend. So I'm adding each alias and the description right here in the schema editor. And then click Save. So now the data mart isn't just SQL, it's documented. It has business-friendly aliases so everyone knows what this or that number means. Now, instead of copy-pasting the same SQL that we have into every BI tool, I'll go to Destinations and connect this data mart to Looker Studio by just toggling this. It can pull the data from it, and I'll also create a Google Sheets report here. I'll just create a new document in Sheets, add its title here in the destination, and also paste the URL to the document right here. Click Create a report. Now we need to run this report to check that everything is working. Boom! You can see how data is flowing in my Google Sheets. Together with the aliases and the descriptions hidden as notes, it's useful, but not messing this stuff. Now it's just time to add a trigger on the Triggers tab to refresh this report. Just select Report Run, select the report from the list, set the days and time. I'll go with every day at 9 AM and we are good to go. Now when someone asks, what does this field mean? You don't have to dig through all docs or Slack threads. It's all inside here. It's the schema itself. Clear names, field level descriptions, nodes that travel with the data into Sheets, Looker Studio, Tableau, Power BI. That is how you stop house before it starts. Because undocumented SQL ages like milk. Documented data marts, they scale your team together with you. So, go try OWOX Data Marts. It's free forever if you self-host it and free to start in the OWOX Cloud. Future you will thank you for writing those notes today.